Welcome to BrainyKids Television. Today we're having a helicopter spin party. Get ready to laugh, sing, and learn amazing helicopter facts.
Woohoo! Did you know helicopters don't have wings like airplanes? Instead, their rotors spin around and lift them into the sky.
Fun fact, helicopters can fly straight up and down and even hover in one place like a flying elevator.
Hee hee! Did you know some helicopters are used for rescue missions? They help save people during storms, fires, and even in the mountains.
And guess what? The fastest helicopters can fly over 250 miles per hour. Whoosh!
Thanks for flying with us on BrainyKids Television. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun songs and amazing facts. Bye-bye, little flyers.